Well, there's the fire. Awesome, awesome that I have fire. And there's my chair, which I do all my thinking and heavy lifting in the brain department. And over here, I have my water supply. And right here, I've got water. Smart water? Is that smart water? No, that's dumb water. Anyway, it's cooling. Trying to get it cool so that we can have some cold water in a little bit. So that's my playground. It is so beautiful over here. And we're going to show you this mountain over here. And here are the bane of my existence. These little buggers here show up in my lawn, and it's a battle. It's a fight. Because I want my lawn to look green, not yellow. And so, every year the battle begins. Well, lunch is over. I roasted some wieners. I had 2 on this stick. It's a very nice stick. However, I got it too close to the fire, and one of my wieners fell off. Burned it. Burned that baby. Burned it.